Leo Data Woodard's Real Estate. I'm in the heart of the Yarraville village. If you want to be walking distance to all the lifestyle, all the action, come and check out 302 at 98 to 100 Somerville Road in Yarraville.